Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of First Taste with Hope. I'm glad you decided to join us today for our theme is holiday treats in the Smith household. So I'm glad you are joining us this holiday season. Today I will be showing you guys how to make no-bake peanut butter oatmeal cookies. So I am excited about this treat. It is definitely a highly recommended thing in this household. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some basic ingredients. So we're gonna put in this pot, we're gonna have some milk, margarine, cocoa, and some sugar. We're gonna mix it together, let it come to a boil, and boil it for 1 minute, and then after it's done that, we're gonna continue on with the cookie process. You're gonna need 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of milk, okay, so you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of cocoa. This is a half tablespoon measuring stick that I'm using, so I'm gonna do 8 of these. And then you're gonna add 1 stick of margarine. We're gonna combine all this together. So after you've let it boil for a minute, you're gonna move it to the side to let it get off the heat. And then you are going to just add in the rest of the ingredients. You're gonna add in the oatmeal, the peanut butter, and the vanilla. All right, so you're gonna wanna use 3 cups of oatmeal. This is a 2-cup measuring cup, so. So that's 2 cups. A half a cup, oh, look. It's just about, I'm gonna add a little more. There we go. Let's see, this is a 16-ounce jar of peanut butter, so it wants half a cup of peanut butter. So I'm gonna need to definitely measure this part out.
What's your favorite peanut butter?
My favorite peanut butter is Peter Pan, but this was on sale. So this is a tablespoon, so I'm gonna say that's like half of that. Like right about there, probably that's about a teaspoon. So you are gonna need parchment paper. These are no-bake cookies, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you, ooh, that's hot. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have parchment paper to put these on. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pick up little bits and you're gonna drop them like so and let them cool. Let them do their thing. And that brings us to the end of another First Taste with Hope video. So thank you so much for coming to my channel. The cookies are on the parchment paper. They are cooling. You have to let them cool for a while. And then after they have cooled for a while, you can dig right in. So have fun with your no-bake peanut butter oatmeal cookies, and I'll see you guys next time on another First Taste with Hope.